Hello world, it's your boy A-Wall Monstrosity Lifestyle. Today I'm about to bless y'all with a monstrosity compound lift circuit here at Texans Fit. Train like the pros. We out here in Houston, Texas. We about to give y'all something special, bless y'all with something that's gonna transform you and get you beastly ready for the summertime. Let's go, A-Wall. Hello world, it's your boy A-Wall, and man, when I tell you that we just killed it, we motherfucking killed it, man. Right now, just bless y'all, bless the world with a monstrosity compound lift. We did 2 halves. First half, we did 3 sets. The rep count was 15, 12, and 12. What we did in that first half, we did pull-ups. We did 15, I did 15 reps and pull-ups. You can do anywhere between no less than 8, no more than 15. Try to bring the most you can every set. I try to bring 15 every set. First set I did 15, second set I did 10, but I did a muscle up, so of course I did less reps than one regular pull-ups. Big money.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, push.
What you
Come
do, baby?
on, keep going.
It's 12 round, baby. It's in you.
Let's go, keep
It's
going.
in you, not on you. It's
Let's
in you,
go.
not on you.
Come on, let's go, push. Let's go. One last one. Get it.
Good one. Got it. Yes, sir. 30-second rest in between the next exercise, and right after that we did bent over rows with deadlifts. We did 15 reps. Right after that we did jump lunges with the weights. I had 35-pound weights. We did 20. Each side is 1. We did 20 reps of jump lunges. Right after that we did decline push-ups. I did 20 reps. The push-ups are gonna stay the same all the way out the circuit. 20 reps all the way out. Big money. Big money.
Shit.
Oh man. I see freestyling now.
I can't do my hands, but I can do my legs.
Right after that, of course, you got to end your set with a 1-minute jump rope. We did that for 3 sets. Took about a 3-minute break in between the second half. The second half, we did bench press, same count, 15, 12, and 12 as far as reps, 3 sets. We did bench press, 15 reps, and right after that, we did 5 reps of resistance bands, negative down, explode up. 5, 4, 3, 2, explode. 5, 4, 3, 2, explode. 5, 4, 3, explode. Then we went right into the shoulder press. We did 15 first set, of course, 12, 12. And the shoulder press, nice slow reps. Negatives all the way down, negative all the way up. With the shoulder press, make sure you're going slow. You're not going fast, you're not going all crazy. Slow reps, negative, up and down. Right after that, we did shoulder raises with the dumbbells. You ain't got to go too heavy. I did 20 pounds. We did a Y, T. Each T is gonna be 1 rep. We did, of course, 15, 12, 12. Right after that, we did pull downs, WideGrip PullDowns For your 15 first set, other 2 sets, 12-12, you go wide, underhand, shit. And after that, we just did a jump rope to end that second half. A minute jump rope again. So we did the first half again, we did pull-ups, bent over rows with deadlifts, jump lunges, push-ups, decline, ended with jump rope. The second half, we did bench press with resistance band, shoulder press, standing shoulder raises, Ys and Ts. Then we did pull downs, wide grip, close grip inside, underhand. And then it ended again, ended the second half with jump rope, 1 minute. First half, second half, that is the monstrosity compound circuit. Check it out, tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, we're gonna be bringing more to you. AWOL, monstrosity lifestyle, let's get it. Rah. Fucking bitch. Lord have mercy.
Oh, you are right. Yeah. Okay. Up. Okay. Yeah. Keep going. Keep it going.
Come on,
Go.
extend.
All the way. Let's go.
That's you.
I'm scared. Y'all scaring me.
Easy money.
I'm gonna do with my legs up.
Oh shit. There you go. Breathe, push, extend. Okay, all right. You got that shit down. Cross. Uppercuts.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
uppercut hook. Uppercut hook cross. Yep. Yo, where you find this girl, dog?
All right, let's go.
That's some easy money. What we do, man? Monstrosity shit, baby. Got my boy Gio, the goat behind the motherfucking camera, man. I'm telling you, man, if you need him, you need the best cameraman in the city or in the nation, get him my boy Gio, man. He gonna get you right, man. For a nice fee.